Hello, dear children. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Dear children, today we will read chapter number 2, that is Plants Around Us. Dear children, you see many different kinds of plants around us. Some plants are big while some are small. Some plants grow on land and some in water. Plants are of different sizes and shapes. Big plants are called trees, like coconut tree, mango tree, neem tree. Some trees have many branches and are spread out. We see some big trees like mango tree, the neem tree, the ashoka tree, the jamun tree, the tamarind tree, the gulmohar tree around us. These are all big plants, big trees. Now, there are small plants. We call them bushes or shrubs or herbs. Now, what are shrubs? Shrubs are bushy plants with hard and woody stems. Their branches grow close to the ground. They give flowers, like you see in rose plant. Rose plant is a shrub. Hibiscus plant is a shrub. Jasmine plant is a shrub. Now, what are herbs? Herbs are small plants with soft, green and tender stems and small roots. Rice, grass and coriander, they are all herbs. The next plant, that is climber. Some plants have weak stem and need support, such as a wall or a stick or another tree to grow. These plants are called climbers. Some common examples of climbers are grapevine, money plant, morning glory, and bean plant. These are all climbers. Now, what are creepers? Creepers are plants with weak stem. They grow along the ground, like you see in pumpkin plant, watermelon plant. They are all creepers. They creep on the ground and spread. Now, dear children, we will learn the plant part. What are the parts of a plant and their functions? Plants have 6 parts: the roots, the stem, the leaf, the flower, the fruits and the seeds. Now, what are the function of these parts? First, we will read the function of a root. What is the function of a root? A root holds the plant in the soil. Roots fix a plant to the ground. Then root brings water and nutrients from the soil to the plant. Roots are usually underground. Now, the next part, that is stem. What is the function of a stem? The stem helps a plant to stand straight. They may be small or broad. The stems carry water and food throughout the plant. The stem carries the water and nutrients throughout the plant. Now, the next part, that is leaf. What is the function of a leaf? Leaves are on the end of the stem of plant. Leaves help them to breathe. Most plants have broad green leaves. They help them to breathe. Leaves are where the plants make most of the food. Leaves take in air. They use air, water and sunlight to make food. Now, dear children, what is the function of the flower? Like leaves, flowers also grow on the end of the stem. Flowers are often the most colorful part of the plant. Some plants bear flowers. These flowers give off a sweet smell. Now, the next part, that is fruit. Dear children, you might be wondering that what is the job of a fruit? Well, dear children, the fruit's job is to hold the seeds. is the delicious seed holder. Fruit is the tasty stuff on the stem. Now the next part, the last part, that is seeds. Seeds are found inside the fruit. Seeds hide inside the fruit. Seeds grow into new plants. This was all about the parts of a plant and the function of the plant. Function of these parts of the plant. Now, dear children, as you know, plants are important for us. Plants are useful to us in many ways and are therefore our friends. Like plants give us wood and paper. Plants give us fabric to make clothes. Plants give us food. We get different kinds of foods, different types of foods from them, such as we get fruits, we get vegetables, we get grains, we get oil. All these things we get from plants. Plants also produce oxygen and they give us clean air. So, dear children, it's very important that we should take care of plants. We should plant more and more trees to keep our environment clean. We should water them regularly. We should not pluck their flowers or leaves. This was all about plants around us. Hope you enjoy this lesson and you learn how to take care of the plants. Thank you and have a nice day.